A huge political row has broken out over senior Congress leader Sam Pitroda's comments on inheritance tax. Now, what did Sam Pitroda, the Indian Overseas Congress chairperson, say that created such a massive uproar in the country that even the Prime Minister was quick to react to his statement? Let's listen in.
Doesn't mean that you are going to take their wealth and give it to somebody. It means to create new policies so the concentration of wealth can be prevented. It's like Monopoly Act. Okay? It doesn't mean that I'll take your shirt away. All right? That's how do you read that? I don't understand. How can you do that? Okay? It's not physically possible to do that. But you can say the future policies would be such that this particular group cannot be into everything. There is a Monopoly Act in America also. You know, we have to make sure that few people become so rich that they begin to run government. We have to make sure that's the requirement in democracy everywhere in the world. Nothing wrong in being rich, nothing wrong in accumulating wealth, but to what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth, you are leaving now, you must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. And law says, you get half of it, public gets half of it. So these are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss. I don't know what the conclusion would be at the end of the day. But when we talk about redistributing wealth, we are talking about new policies, new programs that are in the interest of the people and not in the interest of super rich only.
There you have it. That was Sam Pitroda talking about how India should discuss bringing a policy similar to the inheritance tax where the government takes 55% of a person's wealth after their death. Following this, the BJP taking a jibe at the Congress said that this was a sign that the party, if voted to power, will redistribute the wealth of Indians. Sam Pitroda's remarks on inheritance tax only seems to add fuel to the fire that the Congress has been trying to douse since Prime Minister Narendra Modi raised the issue at a rally 2 days ago. Prime Minister Modi, while speaking at an election rally in Rajasthan, had asserted that the Congress manifesto pledged a redistribution of wealth following a survey. Reacting to Sam Pitroda's comments, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched a blistering attack at the Congress and said that the grand old party's dangerous intentions are coming out in the open. Let's listen to what the Prime Minister had to say while he was addressing a poll rally at Chhattisgarh.
अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी, माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। आप जो अपनी मेहनत से संपत्ति जुटाते हैं, वो आपके बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि कांग्रेस सरकार का पंजा उसे भी आपसे छीन लेगा। कांग्रेस की लूट जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी।
That was Prime Minister Modi targeting the Congress. He said, and I quote, "The Congress's mantra is loot during your lifetime, loot after your death." With this, the Prime Minister reiterated his allegations against the Congress on the issue of property redistribution, accusing the opposition party of harboring intentions to seize citizens' assets for their own gain. Now, what happened next? Amid the controversy, Pitroda clarified that the US inheritance tax had nothing to do with the Congress manifesto. Reacting to BJP's criticism, Pitroda said, and I quote, "Who said 55% will be taken away? Who said something like this should be done in India? Why are the BJP and the media in panic?" Meanwhile, the Congress has distanced itself from the controversy and said that Pitroda's views do not always reflect the position of the party. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain for India Today, So South.